Sorry. I have a Thin Mint. Yay. Girl Scout cookies. Buy them. Support your troops. Not the ones over fighting wherever they are. Girl Scout troops. We'll support the other troops too. Okay. Well, hi. I'm having a bad everything day, so I look like Michael Jackson. Just get used to it. Emily, you want to be in the video too?
Yeah.
I'm watching Emily, and she was watching Snow White, and I was thinking it'd be funny if it's just like out of nowhere, just like break out into song like Snow White, all creepy. Yeah. Emily, do you want to sing? Isn't she cute?
Mommy.
With a smile and a song.
And Daddy.
Well, they're not here. They're at work. And then she leaves. Are you leaving?
No.
No, you're gonna stay here with me. Are you cute? I'm gonna eat my Thin Mint and you can entertain the people. Okay. So. Emily's back to watching Snow White, so if you're hearing stuff, it's probably what you're hearing. And I'm on Facebook, and it's being annoying again. And yeah, that's about it. I look really bad today. I got soda. So, hi. Oh, I'm super bummed because today in 6th period we were moving seats, and I was really hoping to sit next to Abby, but I wasn't next to Abby. So that's sad. Where we go. You want to sing for them?
Yeah.
You want to sing Emily's song?
Yeah.
Sing! Sing really loud. Who knows how long I've loved you? You know I love you still. Sing! Sing louder. Let them hear you. No, sing loud. Sing out loud.
Hello.
You have to let the camera see you. Hi ho. What'd you call me? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ow. You hurting Julia? Stop it. Alright, you guys. Well, when I figure out what I'm going to say, I'm going to get back to you. Bye-bye.